Hey everyone, today I'm super excited because we are checking out 3 products that go perfect together to help you jumpstart your weight loss journey, help control carbs, or give you healthy meals to eat on the go. First up, we've got the LEMONKIND Organic 3-Day Fat-Burn Cleanse. This is a really great product for those of you looking to kickstart your weight loss journey. It's a complete vegan protein, gluten-free supplement box with a set of 15 in here. You get a variety of flavors like Matcha Moringa, Arabica Coffee Yerba Mate, and even Dark Chocolate Oolong Tea. What's awesome is it's only 110 calories with a 16 to 19 net of carbs per serving. It's low carb, keto friendly, and Weight Watchers approved. Plus, it comes with a 100% recyclable Tritan BPA-free shaker bottle. Next up, we have the LEMONKIND Block. This advanced supplement is perfect for men and women who want to decrease the calorie impact of their meals. It helps block the activity of 2 main digestive enzymes, lipase and amylase. So up to half of ingested carbs and fats won't be absorbed into the body. It comes in a set of 30 clean label carb and fat blocker stick packs. Mix this with your favorite drink and you're good to go. 0 calories per serving and naturally caffeine free. That's a great way to get into your weight loss journey. And last but not least, we have the Kitchen and Love Bestsellers Variety Pack. It's a variety pack that includes artichoke and roasted pepper quinoa, grilled vegetables and herbs farro, and Peruvian vegetable ceviche cauliflower quick meal. These meals are vegan friendly, high in fiber and protein, and need no refrigeration. Just heat and enjoy. Perfect for those busy days. Alright guys, these are the 3 products I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check them out if you're looking for healthy meals on the go or to be more conscious about your food well-being. See you next time.